Welcome, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you a simple recipe for stomach ulcer. What are we using? We have our lime orange. Here we have 4 pieces of lime orange. We also have salt. That is salt. And then we have potash, white potash. Yes. Now let us start. First, we have to cut the orange and extract the orange juice. So we're cutting the orange now to extract the orange juice. So we're extracting the orange juice, the lime orange. It's lime orange. So we are still extracting the lime orange juice. We've extracted 2 already. We are extracting the remaining. Stomach ulcer is internal injury caused by a worm. Can be typhoid fever. It can be caused by acidic stomach and so on. When you suffer from stomach ulcer, this simple recipe can help you treat it and get relief from it. Now we are extracting the juice from the orange. So let us see if the juice from the 4 oranges is enough. We want to remove the seeds from the juice. So we are still removing the seed from the juice. After we finish removing the seed from the juice, we will now measure the quantity of the liquid we got to see if it's enough. You are supposed to use 2 shots, which is 8 spoon. 8 spoon, 2 shots. So we've done that. Let's now measure it and see if it's enough. So we have enough, exactly 2 shots. Now we'll pour it into the bigger glass so that we'll put in the salt and the potash. So now we are putting in the salt, just a little salt. That is it. That is the salt. Now we put the equal quantity of potash. Yes. That is it. Put more. Put 1 more. No, it's not enough. Yes. Then stir it. Then leave it to boil. So it will take about, because we have already broken the potash to pieces, it will take about a minute or 2 to boil. After it has completed boiling, then you will drink it. Do not allow the mixture to last for more than 5 minutes. So now it's ready. Our mixture is ready now, so we're going to drink it. So that is it. Yeah, you can see that is for stomach ulcer. Now take note of how to use it. After this operation, you take it once every 2 days. Once every 2 days. You prepare it like this. You take today, tomorrow you will not take. The next tomorrow you take. Once every 2 days for the next 4 to 5 weeks. If you want it to be completely treated, you have to take it for 4 to 5 weeks. Every two days, once a day for 4 to 5 weeks. By the time you take it for 5 weeks, you can be rest assured that the problem of stomach ulcer is gone. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe to this. So, have you subscribed? Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to post more video and show you how to get rid of simple ailments with simple recipes. If you prepare this recipe the way I showed you, you can be rest assured that you will not have problem with stomach ulcer anymore. At times, if you are having stomach ulcer, it can lead to watery stool. Do not worry if you are passing watery stool at that moment. Just prepare this recipe and take it. It will stop the watery stool that is coming as a result of the stomach ulcer. Make sure that you prepare it the way I did, and then you will see the good result. Once again, subscribe and click on the notification button. See you next time when I upload more videos so that you can continue to learn and use simple recipes you have at home to take care of simple ailments we suffer from day to day.